Welcome to the JMB. Let's begin with chapter number 19, excretory products and their elimination. Again, the role of other organ in the excretion is our topic today. So many organs play a role for the excretion. Say for example, kidney, lungs, skin, liver, etc. How lungs play the important role? Lungs will remove carbon dioxide and it will remove water vapor. Liver is a chemical factory. It will do almost 50 different functions. It will remove bilirubin, it will produce bilirubin, biliverdin, cholesterol. It will degrade certain steroidal hormone, vitamins, drug. It will remove alcohol from the body. It will remove certain chemical drugs from the body. So it's a chemical factory of our body. Certain glands play a major role. That's the sweat gland and the sebaceous gland. Sweat gland secretes sweat, and content of the sweat is urea, lactic acid and NaCl. The sebaceous gland secretes sebum. Sebum and sweat is different. Sebum is a quite sticky material which we find over the nose and our forehead. That is the sebum. It's a sticky material. It's not a sweat. It is different. Content of sebum is hydrocarbon, wax and oily substance. So this is two gland. In this way it will remove the waste material. Yes, saliva is also remove certain heavy metals from the body. Right, all these are not in the book, but it is helpful for the need. It remove heavy metal. That's why if we are eating some medicines, or if we feel ill, then sometimes our mouth is become bitter, right, because of it excrete heavy metals. Then the disease hemodialysis. Hemodialysis is a excretion of urea through machine, right? Level of urea is increased in body because kidney are not functioning well. So that is hemodialysis. What happened into the hemodialysis? Here we have a radial vein and a radial artery are there, right? This one, radial vein and radial artery. So from the radial vein blood is pumped. It is passing through a machine called as the hemodialyzer. The blood is slowly passed from this coiled tubule. This coiled tubule is Salocan tubule. Salocan tubules have a pores inside it. From that pore all material is excreted, right? And these purified blood again pumped into the artery. While we are pumping it, we have to add heparin, and while we pumping back, we have to add anti-heparin, right? So this is the method by which we will do that. This is the hemodialysis. Most important MCQ. It is surrounded by the hemodialyzing fluid, and that fluid have a same consistency as our blood plasma. Important disease, hemodialysis. When kidney is not doing function properly, then we suffer from the renal failure, and formation of a stone inside it is called as the caliculi, right? Okay, thank you.